In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to clone this website. Now, one of my friends sent me this website and it's awesome, but I think they spent over $10,000 on this. A website that looks like this is usually between $10,000 to $20,000. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it in just 10 minutes using AI so you can actually save time and money. My gosh, this design is awesome. Check this out, a video and everything. Get a free quote, the call, the video in the background. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years, worked with over 3,000 brands. I'm going to share my screen, break it down so you can learn how to build websites with AI yourself as well. Now, if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you the exact prompt that you should put into this to get the best results, to not use as many credits as you would if you just tried doing it on your own. Okay, so let's get started. So I like using a software called Lovable. Today we're going to use Lovable and we're going to use ChatGPT. I like to go to ChatGPT first and talk through exactly what I want to build, so it helps me build this exact prompt. From there, I like going to Lovable because it gives me 10 free credits if I sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and post my affiliate link down below so you can actually get free credits just by signing up and using my link. Now, there's many other platforms out there you could use. You could use Claude, you can use Bolt. You can really go and research whatever platform you want to use. For us, we just like using Lovable because it's going to give us the best design. It's got SEO built in and it's easier to go live. Now, this isn't about stealing someone else's website. It's about using it as an idea so that you can explain it to AI to give you the best results. All right, so this is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go over to ChatGPT or your favorite AI software, and we're going to talk through it. Lovable. We're going to say this is our URL. This is the goal. We want it to look similar to this example site, and then it's going to give us a prompt. Now, this prompt usually isn't going to be very good the first time. So now what I'm going to do is say, hey, actually improve my prompt. And I want you to use our website URL. I want you make sure you use our business name. And I want you to take our logo and make sure you use the right colors. So it's going to go through and it's going to give me another prompt. This is pretty good, but it's still not going to be the best. So we're going to keep going and we're going to go and add one more prompt in there. I'm going to upload our logo. I'm going to make sure that it's transparent. If it's not, you can go use something like Canva to make your logo transparent. And then it'll scan the logo. It'll actually give me an even better prompt, because now what I want to say is I'm going to upload snapshots to actually show Lovable what I want this website to look like. And I also want you to give me the colors so it looks good once it's designed. So now it's going to give me this final prompt. And this is the prompt that I can actually go and copy, and I can go back to Lovable and I can paste this in. Now, fair warning, you might not get the same results I'm getting today. We've been building websites for the last 10 years. We know what to look out for, what type of page design we need to do, how we need to set up the H1s and all the headers for SEO, and also everything that needs to be included in each individual page and footer to make sure that you're compliant, your terms and conditions are right, and your website is successful once you launch. Now, if you need any help from our team building this and setting this up, I'll make sure I post a link right below so you can chat with somebody from my team to actually help you build your own AI website. Okay, now I'd like to upload the prompt here, but I don't want to stop there. The next thing I want to do is hit this plus icon. And what I can do is I can attach, and I want to attach some files. So I'm going to attach the logo. That's going to be that transparent logo. And then what I want to do is I want to attach those snapshots I promised so you can actually see, Lovable can see exactly what I want this website to look like. Now, fair warning, they're only going to allow me to upload 10 images here, but you can always add more in the future. So you can see that's how many images I added: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I won't be able to add 11. Maybe in the future they'll allow this. Once these all get uploaded, now I'm not going to hit just build. What I want to do is tell Lovable, hey, create me a plan around this. Now, once I go past these 5, I'm going to have to upgrade, but let's see what it gives me. Now, I know when you sign up under my link, I think they're going to give you 10, maybe 15 credits. That can actually build you the whole homepage with a few variations there. All right, so we're going to hit plan and we're going to let that roll. Okay, now while that's building, the next thing you want to look out for are the inner pages. So a homepage is great, but if you actually want to rank on Google, ChatGPT, and have people learn more about you and your brand, you want to go and add inner pages. So we have the homepage, they have a gift cards page, and look, they have different service pages. Now they're actually missing out on a lot of SEO because they have this as a dropdown. Right now, that's an anchor dropdown that's actually going to drop them down on the homepage. So I'm still on the homepage, I'm going to click services, and you can see it doesn't take me anywhere. What you actually want them to do, instead of bringing you right to here, you want it to actually send you to an inner page. So here's an example of an inner page they have, and you can see it's going to be set up with the proper URL at the top. That's one thing I want you to remember as you're building your website. You want to have as many inner pages as possible, and you need at least 500 words on that page for it to show up on Google search. Additionally, you want to make sure that each of the headlines match exactly what you're promising. So you can see ceramic coating is the same as the URL, and this needs to be an H1 tag that lets Google know and all the search engines know that that's exactly the best way to rank this page when they search. Now you can see that they've done some custom renderings on this page, which is going to be really hard to duplicate. We're going to have to build some really specific prompts to get AI to build this for us. Now, back in the day, it used to cost thousands and thousands of dollars to not only build this page, but also create these images and build the renderings. You can see this image right here. But today, what we're going to show is how to build this page with the animations so you can have something exactly the same, but build it for a fraction of the cost with your AI credits. Okay, now back in Lovable, you're going to see that it created a plan for us. You can see everything that it put in here. You can go ahead and make changes to this if you want, if you see anything here that maybe doesn't make sense. But the first thing we want to do is let's just get this homepage built and see exactly what it came up with based on my prompt. So I'm going to hit approve, and it's just going to take a few minutes here to get this page built for us. Now, while we're waiting for that prompt, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel here and turned on notifications so you can be prompted every time we create a new video. I make videos about how to build landing pages, how to set up email and CRM follow-up, and even how to build websites like this so you can then start running ads to get more traffic and more customers. Additionally, our team builds websites, sets up your CRM, and automates your whole business. So feel free to reach out to us if you need any help. Okay, now coming back to Lovable, here's a sneak peek. You can see it's even creating those images for us in real time so we can see the progress as it's coming. Okay, and here's the first draft. Now, I think the first draft is still going to need a lot of work, but so far it's pretty good. It's not the exact same layout. It's not the perfect images, but it's all things that we can improve on. I think that the current website looks much better. So what we want to do is go back, and we want to go back and forth on some changes and make sure it continues to improve. So you're going to see little things like profile pictures aren't there. It's not pulling from Google My Business. You can see that the form looks good. This all looks great at the bottom. And then from there, it's got some benefits, but not exactly like the example site. Okay, the next thing you want to look for is you can hit this button here to close the sidebar. And now you can see what the website actually looks like. And we can go see if these forms and these buttons actually all work. So by doing that, you can click on this in the top and you can see if it created any of these inner pages, which it didn't. So just like I mentioned, we're going to want it to actually create all of these inner pages, which we're going to come back and have them do as well. But first, we want them to clean up the homepage. We want to add more of those design features, and we want to make sure that there's some videos in here and some animations to make it really look good, especially not only on desktop, but on mobile when somebody's quickly looking through the site. Okay, so when we go here, what you can do is actually move this sidebar over to the right a little bit. You can hit the plus icon and you can add a skill. So once you add a skill, you're going to be able to see that you'll be able to do accessibility to make sure it's easy for people to navigate, whether they're disabled and or on their mobile phone. Redesign it. SEO, so you can do the full SEO, search engine optimization, to show up on all the rankings. Video creator or skill creator. So what we'll want to actually do is I like the redesign. So I want the redesign to make this even better and look cleaner with more designs. Okay, so now at some point you're going to run out of credit. So it's really easy to go ahead and upgrade. Just click on upgrade now. We prefer just the simple pro plan. You can start at $25 a month. You can choose your credits here. Now, if you do go over these credits, you can always top them off, which is great. You can go ahead and hit upgrade. Now it's going to take you to a Stripe page where you're just going to fill out the information for Stripe, and then it'll bring you back so you can continue working on your account. Okay, now that you're upgraded, you can go back and start building. So you're just going to hit the exit button and you're going to go back here. So let me add also a skill that I want to go ahead and make sure I add my video creator. So now I have a redesign and a video creator in my account. So what I want to do is I'm going to start planning this out with Lovable. Add the banner like our example website banner. I don't really like the one that's aligned right here. I like the example one that's center. Being center just makes more sense to me and just looks better. And it also has a great image across the top with these proper buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and say, just like the example website builder, center focused with a brilliant image and video showing. Also update the other images and sections on the page to be more center aligned, like our example site, coast to coast city, and add animations and realistic image. All right, and I'm going to have that planned out and start building from there. All right, so tell me down in the comments below what type of business you have. I'd love to learn more about you, your brand, and your business, and exactly what you've built or want to build in the future. We work with businesses from e-commerce to service-based businesses to even firms like accounting and law firms all over the world. We believe in having a beautiful website, having landing pages, which you'll be able to learn in my other videos, and most importantly, having a follow-up system like CRM, emails to retarget anyone that comes to your site. Now, did you know that an average website gets less than a 1% conversion rate? That means you miss out on 99.9% of people that land on your site. So by having a landing page, that helps you convert more visitors. That's a page where you can actually collect their name and email to get more info and send them the details. Now, if you take a look here, Lovable is going to allow me to go ahead and post that website in here. So you can see that it allows, and it's going to actually scan that. So generate a short AI video. Yeah, I want you to generate it since I chose that. Yep, and I'm going to say all sections. And I'm going to go ahead and submit. Okay, so now you can see that it went ahead and created that plan. We can hit review to go ahead and view that. I can add any edits to this as wanted, but you can see that I think it looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and approve it. My gosh, this design is awesome. Check this out, a video and everything. Get a free quote, the call, the video in the background, pretty much everything I asked it to do. I asked it to center it, update the images, make it right on point. That's insane. So it looks so much better. And just think of this, in the last few minutes, we set this up and we have a fully functioning website So all we need to do now is really take it and build out the inner pages. And we need to make sure we set up everything in the footer, like the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and make sure it looks good on mobile. Now let's actually take a look and see what this looks like on mobile. By clicking here will be tablet, and then clicking again will be mobile. So it looks great. It auto optimizes for mobile. It even sets up the menu. So it does the drop down, and you can see it pretty much made everything perfect. And if I hit the button, I can get the quote. So the next thing we need to do is build out the inner pages and really build this for SEO purposes, which we're going to do next. Okay, now what we need to do is say, go ahead and build off of this design. We want to make all the inner pages similar, and we want to make it mobile first. We want to do proper SEO. We want to make sure we focus on increasing conversion rates and higher rankings on Google. We want to make sure we stand out above our competition when somebody lands on our site, and also add those terms and conditions, privacy policy, and beautiful designs and imagery. So I'm going to go ahead and plan this out. While it's planning that, I'm going to head over to this page here. And I really like this inner page that we're going to show where it gives us this rendering. So I think we should build out some sort of rendering and 3D animation in this site to make it stand out just like this one. So how can we do that? What I'm going to do is go ahead and scan through this, look through this, and you can see the videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT if it can actually scan this and give me more info. Can you? And I always like to give some snapshots as well, just so it can see exactly what's going on. And I'm going to tell it that on this page, green car is spinning. The ceramic wax is getting poured onto the yellow car. The last section is the team working on the cars in a video format. And then let's see if ChatGPT can scan that and help us come up with a prompt to actually get these animations and renderings built inside of Lovable. So while I was doing that, we're going to come back here, take a look. Let's make sure this all looks good. And once we think it looks good and all of our H1, SEO, and inner pages look good, let's go ahead and get that approved, and let's get that start building. So another thing, as this is building, you can actually come right here and you can see how many credits it used. So you can see just from me asking it to update and change that homepage, it used 6.6 credits for 7 minutes and 15 seconds. We can go back here and you can see I purchased for $25 the 100 credits. I have 92 left. Now I'm sure that building out all the inner pages are going to use quite a bit of credit. So this will probably go down to 70, maybe 80. So we'll take a look once that's done. So let's let that build and let's head back to ChatGPT. So it scanned the page. It is able to see that. So now we can see that it went ahead and updated this. Now I want to say not just for this ceramic page, I actually want to create these 3D elements in video. So how? Design, 3D, animations, videos, product examples for all inner service pages. Please make. Okay, so let's do that. And it's actually going to create our prompt to help us create this. You can see it's generating a more detailed image. I did not ask it to do that. So write out the prompt we can give to Lovable Dev. I do like to call it Lovable Dev here. Okay, and just a few minutes later, let's take a look. It looks like it used almost 10 credits for this, and it should have all the pages. So let's scroll to the top. We've got the home page. We have the about page. Awesome. Service page, packages, gallery. Wow, looks awesome. Service areas and contact form. Let's go back to services. Let's see if it built the interiors. Looks like it didn't. So what we do is right here, you can see all the pages that it created, the privacy, the policy, and actually, yes, it did. It just created it down below here. All right, so for today's video, what I'm going to do is go back and I'm going to say a prompt I'm going to give it to actually go make all of those inner service pages even better. But for today, now you have a website that we built with AI in 15 minutes. This normally would cost $10,000 to $20,000 to build. Now, cost goes up once you start building those 3D animations. That's why it's going to use more credits for me to actually build those out. A couple other things I would do is I would make this logo bigger. I would make sure it always syncs back to the homepage. I would double check all the mobile forms. And then last but not least, I would take this form and I would make sure that I connect this with either Lovable's email service, or I would tell it to connect it with Resend, which is our favorite email provider for AI vibe coded software. From there, you can literally ask Lovable to send you an email notification, and or you can even send automated emails from there. But for today's video, that'll be for future videos if you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel. But for today, I want to break it down and go ahead and show you how to publish. Once you're ready for your site, you're going to need a domain. That domain can usually be on something like GoDaddy or different things like that. So we're going to add a custom domain. Now what you could do is you could publish on their URL, but what it's going to do is have you go ahead and name that, and then you can have that as a preview link to send people. We like to set up a custom domain here. You can see that our site is not published right now, but you can buy a new domain. If you're brand new starting out, you can actually buy a domain right in Lovable, which is really cool. Or if you already have a domain in something like GoDaddy, you're going to click on connect your existing domain. You're going to put that domain in here. So for me, it's going to be ConversionLinks just for today's test. I have this all set up in GoDaddy. I'm going to hit continue. From there, it's going to be my root domain. It's not a subdomain. A subdomain is something like if you're using for marketing purposes, landing pages, or maybe an app. So we can go ahead and make sure that www is in there as well. Connect domain. Okay, now you can see that it needs me to connect it for the domain and the www version as well. So we're going to click complete setup. There, you're just going to hit continue and it's going to try to set it up for you. It's going to identify that this domain is in GoDaddy. Now, if you want, you can also go ahead and add those records yourself, and then you can authorize with GoDaddy. You can do manual setup where you can copy and paste these records in yourself. But if you already logged in, you can go ahead and just click the button and it'll go ahead and add those records for you immediately. Authorize with GoDaddy and it's going to go add those records. Click on connect. It'll most likely ask you for two-factor authentication, and then we're going to go ahead and go back. All right, done. We can see how easy that is. Next step is you're going to need to go do that for the WW version. Continue, authorize, connect, and hit done. Now just wait a few minutes and this will start working, and you'll actually be able to see all the stats from here. So once you're done, I like to go back to the site. I like to click on here. And what you can do is you can go through some of these options. So what I like to do is then go and look for optimize for speed and SEO. And what that's going to do is help speed up the website. You're going to want to make sure you connect Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and even Bing Webmasters, so you can actually get ranked and start getting visitors to your site. From there, you can go ahead and republish at the top, and you'll see your domains here. And you can go ahead and copy those. And like I said, in just a few minutes, that should be live so we can see the site. And just like that, we are live. We have a full functioning website in just 15 minutes built with AI. Now, yes, it needs a lot of work. We're going to probably spend another 40 credits making this perfect. It saved us time, it saved us resources, and we were able to actually build this exactly how we wanted it. Now, one quick tip, if you want to get rid of this Lovable stamp, you can head back to Lovable. You can click on the dashboard here, click on settings, and then on the right, you're going to see that you can hide the Lovable badge by clicking that. And now you can go ahead and republish this. Now just make sure you do all the steps necessary for SEO to get this fully live. Make sure you connect it with something like Resend or Lovable emails, and make sure that you go check out the description for all of my resources and affiliate links. Now, I do get paid if you sign up. If this helped you in any way, feel free to use those and let me know if you have any questions. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be really awesome if you subscribe to my channel here and subscribe to this playlist if you want to continue learning more in future videos every Wednesday at 12 about how we automate websites so you get more leads and get more customers. And like I mentioned, make sure you tell me more about you and your business down below so I can check you out and support you as well. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.